guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how do we edit our text in Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open any chat you want to send. Over here you can see if I have to edit, tap on the chat you want to edit, then tap on it for a while, then here a pop-up will come out. Here you can see copy new chat from here, edit, pin, delete, tap on edit, and here you can write YOU and tap on edit. After doing so, like this, your chat has been edited. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.